Getting things done is the gold standard for every leader. And yes, execution matters, but pushing forward with changes, trying to get it done without taking the time to reflect on its impact is a recipe for failure. Reflection is one of the most important and often underrated tools in your leadership toolkit, especially when the stakes are high. Keep watching to discover why reflection must become part of your daily leadership practice and the difference it can make in as little as 5 minutes per day. When I first bring up the idea of reflection, many leaders bristle. Some say, I don't have time to just sit and think. Others say, I reflect all the time. I'm solving problems all day long. And those reactions highlight some of the biggest misconceptions, confusing reflection with problem solving, relaxation, or rumination. But they're not the same. Problem solving is reactive. Worry or rumination is worrying. It's looping. Worry gives you the illusion of problem solving while keeping you stuck either in the past or projecting into a future that hasn't happened yet. Reflection is different. Reflection is the deliberate practice of engaging with your thinking in the present moment. It is, as the name suggests, an action. Reflect, then act thoughtfully. Reflection is an essential executive competence because it is the mechanism that turns complex, ambiguous situations into insights that you can use. Without it, patterns go unnoticed, assumptions go unchallenged, and you can easily get trapped into making the same decisions with just new labels applied. And reflection is not passive. It's not a soft skill. It's an active leadership process and skill, a skill that when developed and practiced enables stability and allows you to tap into your innate abilities. You discover blind spots and where your instincts are serving you and where they're not. And that's what you need when you're leading transformation. When you cultivate a reflective leadership practice, you build leadership presence. Things can arise, tension, urgency, competing priorities. But instead of reacting, you respond. You become aware and choose what you want to do. And in transformation, that is everything and sets you up for success. Reflection enables you to interrupt those unhelpful patterns before they scale across the organization. It allows you to align your actions with your values, even when the trade-offs are real and difficult. And it can inspire trust and confidence because people can sense that you've done the internal work to lead with consistency and self-awareness. Reflection isn't just about becoming a better leader. It's about managing risk and increasing value across your organization. My clients often tell me that they appreciate our time together because it provides a safe space for reflection. And that matters more than you realize. At the executive level, developing a regular reflective practice can feel uncomfortable, even vulnerable. You don't have many spaces where you can just think or think out loud without any consequence. That's why creating a safe space is essential, whether it's with a coach, on your own, or with a trusted group of peers. There's no one single right way to practice reflection. It's not about performance. It's about creating the container, the space where you can actively connect with yourself, with your thinking, with your intuition. Reflection is also not time-consuming. I know that time is in short supply for every executive, and I understand that. So you may be feeling like, I don't have time for reflection, and you wouldn't be alone. But reflection isn't time consuming. It creates time because it reduces rework. It prevents reactive decisions, and it helps you catch patterns early before they become expensive. You can begin to reap the benefits with as little as 5 minutes per day. Here's a way of getting started. Set a timer for 5 minutes, either at the start of your day, somewhere in the middle, or at the end of your day. Turn off all your notifications and put that phone away. Then do one of two things. Simply let your mind wander and notice what arises. Often what emerges is exactly what your leadership attention needed. Or you can reflect on a specific issue. You can use a focused question. For example, if you're leading a specific change in your organization, you might ask, in what unexpected ways is this change transforming my leadership? Another question might be, what patterns am I reinforcing or disrupting right now? And how is that either helping or hindering my team or the organization? That's the practice. Small, consistent, and strategic. Reflection is not about slowing down your leadership. It's about increasing its precision. And in moments that demand decisive action, choosing to take a moment to reflect may be the most strategic move that you can make. If this resonated with you and you want to explore a little bit more about reflection and the role of mindfulness during change, then check out the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.